Some breaking news coming in now from Bihar. Bihar Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi has called a meeting of MLAs on the 20th of February. This a day after voicing disapproval of a meeting of MLAs called by JDU Chief Sharad Yadav. As the drama unfolds, he has found backing from two ministers. Bihar Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh opposes any move to remove Manjhi, says some elements in the party trying to conspire against him. Sharad Yadav should not have called a meeting of legislatures as this power remains with the Chief Minister. Bihar Rural Development Minister Nitish Mishra also says that Sharad Yadav has no right to call a meeting of party workers. Okay, we have Rohit Singh joining us from Patna on this Bihar showdown. Rohit, it's amazing. There is a capital showdown expected tomorrow in the national capital, but there is already a Bihar showdown happening while the elections are only in October or November this year.
Well, absolutely, Sanket. Hectic political activities being witnessed in Patna at the moment, and now what we are hearing is that 4 to 5 ministers of Jitan Ram Manjhi camp have come to meet him at his official residence, One Ane Marg. They include Nitish Mishra and Narendra Singh and Bhushan Patel. These are the ministers who are now totally out and supporting Jitan Ram Manjhi. And the Nitish camp is now completely in disarray. They are still maintaining that Jitan Ram Manjhi should protest, but it is now out in the open that it is Nitish versus Manjhi battle that is now being fought in Bihar. And several ministers and MLAs are now completely backing Jitan Ram Manjhi, and that is why Manjhi has called for a meeting of the Legislative Party on 20th, and he has held that the meeting that was called by Sharad Yadav tomorrow of the Legislative Party, that was completely unconstitutional and illegal, and a JD party president cannot call such a meeting. It's only the right of the Chief Minister, who is the leader of the Legislative Party, who can call such a meeting. So completely it's a showdown that is going on, and Manjhi has his own group of ministers and MLAs who are now completely backing him.
Absolutely. Let's also quickly listen into Rohit, do stay on with us. Let's first listen into some reactions that are coming in and we'll come back to you. Well,
Sanket, BJP at this point of time is keeping closely watching the entire situation that is unfolding in JDU. But there is some sort of a soft corner as far as Jitan Ram Manjhi and BJP is concerned, because in the last 1 month there have been several occasions where Jitan Ram Manjhi has praised officially Narendra Modi, and he says that he has done a good work at the centre and he has no qualms in shaking hands with him. And also Sushil Kumar Modi, a senior BJP leader here, has said that in case there is a threat to Jitan Ram Manjhi's government, BJP can come with its support of its MLAs, of 87 MLAs, and supporting. So there is something definitely cooking between BJP and Jitan Ram Manjhi, but at this point of time BJP is clearly watching the development that is taking place and unfolding in JDU.
All right, Rohit Kumar Singh getting us all the latest from Patna. Absolutely dramatic developments which now will officially be called the Bihar Showdown.